Hello student, today we will discuss about the human respiratory system. Human respiratory system. Human respiratory system started from the nose. These outer part are called nostrils. Nostrils. Two nostrils are there in the nose and inner is called nasal cavity. Nasal cavity. Next to upper part of the oral cavity is nasal cavity in the nose. Now next to the nasal cavity, it goes into the long tube. This is called trachea. Trachea or windpipe. Trachea or windpipe. In the neck, here is a protruding part that is called Adam apple. Adam apple or voice box. Voice box. Voice box. Next to this is small muscular structure. These are called lungs. These are called lungs. This trachea divided into two tubes and enter into the lungs, and these are called bronchi. Bronchi. Now these bronchi in the both lungs divided into branched structure, and these are called bronchioles. Bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles, there are some balloon-like structures. These are called air sac or alveoli. And from this air sac, air is exchanged and they are connected with the blood vessels. Blood vessels to exchange the gases. These lungs cover with a outer layer. This outer layer is called pleura. This is called pleura. Thank you.